Living in the north, you all may know what does it means to go through the dark season with its energy tides and lows, with its health issues, emotional imbalances, and mental problems with depression, loneliness, sadness, and all that. Well, but it doesn't have to be that way. You can actually thrive and flourish because if it's dark outside, then it is and can be light on the inside. And so this Thursday, I'm going to show you how and tell about 7 main points from a holistic perspective how to go through the season gracefully. And it's including light therapy, it's including exercise and movement, it's including nutrition, diet, and sleep hygiene, it's including breath work and mindfulness, powerful mindset shifts, meaningful connections, and real purpose of your soul. You all need that to actually go through it in your power, in your love, in your light. And you can do it. Just let me show you how. Join in, sign up below, and see you in